Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Hockey Monster back on my channel, and we're back on Demolition B3. So, sorry if I sound quiet there, because my dad is sleeping, and I'm gonna let him sleep for just a minute, or like just a minute. He's kind of a little bit sick because right now it is what is it? 21:59. And I know I just just re-customize this and this and this and this and this and what else? Oh yeah, and this. What else? Oh yeah, basically this. I forgot. There. And this and this and this. And everything. It's a lot of, oh, and this. This. And this. Excuse me. Oh yeah, also this. The front push bar? Okay. Okay. Since this since when they put the Ghostbusters card in there? Oh, this. Oh yeah, also this. And also this, and this. You know what I'm going to test? I am actually going to test which one? Which one? Which one should I choose? I don't know what to choose. So I think what should I choose? I don't know what to choose. Well, I am actually gonna go to the Ford GT, because I don't know why, but okay. I'm gonna try drift rings. Drift rings. I'm gonna do 10 lap. That's all I can do. It's garbage. Pass alleys. Maybe it will be easy if I put 2 laps. Okay. And you know what I'm going to do? Just for fun, trailer race. You might think it look goofy, but it might look cool at the same time. Oh yeah, also we'll do the Ferrari, of course. On the same track, okay? We're gonna do a Ferrari with the same racetrack. Max, why would you do that? I mean, Max is my friend, yeah, but he spun me out. He was sorry. Gator, stop doing that. Wait. Oops, I'm sorry, Gator. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, you can see the interior view. Don't lose control. Don't lose control. Oh, I'm kind of like drifting. Oh, kind of like drifting. Yeah, how do I do this? It's good to have. You know what? I think I'm gonna do the Ferrari tomorrow. Yeah, basically, if I'm gonna try the Ferrari tomorrow on this, okay, I'm gonna record with a Ferrari tomorrow, cause right now it's nighttime, and yeah, I think that's kind of it. Wait, what? Why? Why do you think it's still 1 lap? I didn't do nothing. What did I do? I don't understand. Oh, because I missed the checkpoint? Ah, I see. Sorry, my apologies, guys. I missed the checkpoint there. I was looking it to hit to looking everybody, and I missed the checkpoint. I didn't even know that. So, my apologies. Whoops. Whoa. Whoa. So wobbly. So wobbly. And it all comes to a different trailer, so you can find Demolition Derby 3 on Android or on your phone, basically. I like the song. It's a pretty good song, you know? I'm just waiting for the derby. Cause I like derby. I like derby. I like derby. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Zoe got stuck there. I'll help you out. There we go. Of course. Flip myself. Flip myself. Oh, Max and Sam, they both got stuck. Oh, and I saved these two. Basically, Max is my friend. Okay. Now, what am I gonna? Oh, okay. I just saved these three cars with the trailers, so that's a good news. I like that. I'm like a kind Ford GT, right? I'm like a really kind Ford GT, light blue Ford GT. Yeah, like a baby blue, baby blue, baby blue, baby blue, baby blue. Why did I flip myself? That doesn't even make any sense. Oh, because my trailer is top heavy. That makes sense now. What? There's Max. He lost control a bit. He lost a lot of control, I mean. Andy is stuck there. Carrie's stuck, too. Okay, now for the really fun test. Now for the thing. I'm going to take a derby and I'm gonna put armor on it because it's gotta have a lot of durability on because it has a little bit of durability. Okay, maybe I'm gonna try the Docks Arena. I already did Docks Arena so many times. You know what, maybe I'm gonna try the Top Strings Garage. Yeah, I'm gonna try that. And I'm gonna choose 5 opponents because I don't have way too much. I don't have a lot of time to do 10. Okay. Wait, Sam is in the school bus? That's kind of unfair. Sam is in the school bus. That's really unfair. We're gonna die from this. Zoe's on the Mini Cooper. What the heck? And Jesse's in the Stuttgart. Rusty's in the Lamborghini. The Alex is in a Ferrari, and Honky Monster is driving a Ford GT, regular Ford GT. So, whoa, whoa, that was a hard hit. Wow, Jesse flies. I'm gonna take the jump. Dukes of Hazzard. I don't have a Dukes of Hazzard car, but that's okay. Whoa, Alex. Bam. Oh, come on. Oh, oh, there we go. Uh-oh. You know what? I'm gonna run away because I have low health. I have to run away before I die. I'm gonna try a little tap. Let's see what happens if I try a little tap. Nothing happens. Okay, so that makes sense. No, 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 no. My tires like it's red. It's not good. When it's a good news, but when it's really good, I just hit Rusty, but I'm gonna die. Sam is in low health, which is good, but when it's not good, I have low health too. What am I gonna do? Seems pretty hard. I just killed Sam in a school bus. Now Jesse is right after me. Jesse's right after me. That was crazy. My engine's still good, but this is not. My car is all beat up. This is not good. Okay. I got like, 10 minutes. It's not that long, but oh well. I know, I'm using way too much Dukes of Hazard to jump. Oh my goodness, Jesse went on like a nosedive or something. And he lost his back trunk. What? Oh. Oh, we're making donuts everywhere. Donuts everywhere? Whoa. That was a hard hit. Gonna try another hard hit then. Don't care about the consequences. That is a serious consequence for me. Both of them wrecked, but I think Jesse won when he got wrecked. When he got wrecked after. I just, and I got wrecked, and Jesse got wrecked after me, so I lost. Yeah, I just got second place. That's not good. Well, second place is good for third, but it's not good for first. Oh well, it's alright. They'll never know what's gonna happen next. Bam! You don't never know what's gonna happen next, okay? Sorry for clicking noise. That's my mouse clicking. I have my laptop, so with my videos. I just killed Sam, the school bus. Oh my goodness. And Jesse just keeps following me. See? Jesse is following me. That's really impressive, that look. Like, I don't know why it's impressive, but it is impressive. Oh well. I guess. That looks... Yeah, he did like a nosedive and parks perfectly. I don't know why. That's really good. And I was like, I don't care about the consequences, right? And we both died, but he got wrecked after me. It seems like we both wrecked. Yeah, it seems like we both wrecked. But Jesse won by his little time, by his big time. Whatever. Okay, now I'm gonna take the armor out and just try the test drive in Concrete Jungle because I haven't done Concrete Jungle in a while. So let's do that. I hope the game doesn't lag, because if it does, I'll put my airplane mode on and see what's going on. Oh, it doesn't look like it's lagging. Okay, good. Oh, okay, you know what? I'm gonna restart the Concrete Jungle and go back up. No, I'm just kidding. Not going back up. I'm going like that. So, did you know that, guys? Chevy Boy Racing YT, he actually just suggested to Mike, Beer Money Games. Beer Money Games. Chevy Boy kind of suggested to Mike, the Beer Money Games. When I knock this down, I'm gonna try to get that toolbox thing. And see at the bottom, there's like a lot of toilet house with bowlings. So he kind of suggested to Mike and all of that stuff. But we're gonna try to get my key boxes, okay? So I can escape the cops. Cop car. This is kind of weird. I am not gonna lie. It's not very weird. I was just kidding, guys. Not very weird. Oh, I missed that toolbox. No, whatever. Okay, you know what? Let's see if I can try to find the cop car and find the key box. Like, you know, one key box and it'll be it, okay? Just like one key box and it'll be it. That's all, okay? There's that one cop car there. And I'm going to find one key box. Key box. Tapped it a little bit. Come on. Get out of me. Cop car. Man, this is kind of crazy. Wait, did he die? Yeah, he did die. Oh, you can see little flashlights. What? I don't know why. He was playing peekaboo. He was playing peekaboo with me. That's kind of funny looking. But no. Let's try to find the toolboxes because I don't know. Because it's kind of fun to get. Okay, so there's that the bank building. There's a one green key. Nothing there. Something there. One downstairs. So let's try that. Let's make sure that we don't lose 2 wheels. If we do, I'm gonna be so angry. Got like 17 minutes. Cause I don't know. I don't want to be crazy long. Oh, but oh well. Slide. Not in this. Not in there. No. Naughty green key box. Naughty. No. You have to go in there. Ah! Okay. Oh my goodness. That scared me for a minute. Man, that scared me. I don't know why. It's like, oh, it's not gonna go in, but now it does. Is it 200? All of them there are 200 except for 300. Okay, I think that's about all for the Ford GT, and we escaped it. So that is it for this video. And if you guys enjoyed, let me know. And whoa, what's going on? I didn't mean to do that. So if you guys enjoy, let me know, and see you guys soon, guys. Check out this cool stuff for the Ford GT, doing ramps on the guardrail. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, let me know, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Peace out. I'm gonna try like do 250, but yeah, we did 250. So I think that's it. Peace out. The car's all fast. Okay, peace out.